Ron, hello, hello. To get the secret word.
You've got mail. Uh, oh, still got 15 minutes. Hello, hello. All good. Sound check. Mic check. 1, 2. Hello, hello. Let me see if I can hear myself on the tube, on the YouTube, on the YouTubes. Yeah, I can hear myself. Yeah. Remember you muted yourself the previous stream? Is it maybe that? Okay. Just do sign language for tonight. No, still nothing. Hello, hello. Still nothing on YouTube.
Yeah, no. Hello, hello. Oh, hang on, got something there. Yep.
Sure.
Yep.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. I have you there.
Get down on my hands and knees again. A regular thing around here.
Oh, so many lines.
Well, I said it. I fed you that one.
That's the sort of stuff we need to hang each other on.
Yeah. I knew that could get some pretty spicy responses.
The old five spice response. The old Chinese five spice response.
All right. Would you believe you're surrounded by 1,000 fortune cookies?
20 ninjas and a samurai. Would you believe I walked on there with a with a cow powing?
Crazy.
Uh,
Crazy, okay.
racist much? No.
Oh,
No. I might as well type hello in the chat.
yeah.
So
show
just so there's
myself.
something there.
Yeah. That's what we're doing the same thing for the same reason.
Hmm. And always hit the like button too.
Ooh,
Give us them likes.
he likes. He likes it very much.
You likey.
Is it very nice? Well, I'm going to give some confetti in the chat. There you go. I'll go with a love heart and confetti.
Love hearts as well.
Now, where was I with this? I was just chopping it up as we speak. Chippy chopping.
We're going through the old chop.
Yeah, a little earlier, I was watching Igor from Champions. I don't mind him actually.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I watched a bit of. I watched the last probably 20 minutes, I think.
Okay. Yeah, no, I don't mind him. He's
Yeah, I like out of all of them, I think Eagles the
I like the way he trades.
yeah. Ah, Daniel's all right too, I guess, but
Yeah, he's a good trader. It's definitely not denying that. I just like like Igor's style, you know.
yeah. I agree with you there. I actually asked him the question, what he was using, the heat map he was using. As I was just looking at, literally just 5 minutes ago, I was looking at, because he said he got that from Quant Tower.
Mm.
And then he mentioned Topstep provides you with level 2 data in Quant Tower for free if you get one of their accounts. So,
Okay.
well, I was like, well, if that's the case, it'd be nice to, have a look at it.
He says he likes Quantow, doesn't he?
Yeah, yeah. Look, it is nice. Like, I remember, actually, I think Motivewave had a heat map too. I was sort of had a look at when we're with Fast Track.
Yeah.
And
And
Fast Track.
I like Quantow the way it's set up. Like, as in, it's got a lot of features and stuff. The only thing,
Yeah,
I
yes.
just can't believe that Ninja Trader is the only one that has like proper ATM strategies where you can trail the stop loss. It's the one.
The
It's the
runs
one.
and that.
Yeah, like it's the only one that's got it. None of the other ones have got that kind of feature where you can. Because even in Ninja, it's not only like trailing the stop loss, but you can pretty much automate, like, make any kind of strategy into a sort of bot with what they've got.
Yeah.
They've got that as well. Their own.
Yeah.
Advanced
I
trade
don't
management.
know. Yeah. Doesn't Quanto have any sort of strategies set up things?
Not that I
I don't
found.
remember.
I couldn't get just a sort of basic trail one going like Ninja Trail. What I remember.
Yeah. But I was thinking, like, today when Igor mentioned Quantel, I was actually thinking, I don't even use runners anymore. And if I want to trial something, I just sort of trial it up manually.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Me too, but there'll be a time, like, it's not just the trailing part. You can actually automate.
Yeah.
If you wanted to, of course. But and I do use the trail thing for when I'm doing the challenges, so I know where the stop loss is as it's getting to its thing. If I know I'm going to get stopped out.
Oh, yeah.
So it lets me know, rather than guessing, how I've got to sort of work out, gee, it's going to be close to bottomed out. Look at the drawdown.
Yeah.
That stop loss, it visually gives me the thing where it is. So I do like that. It's good for the what do you call it? Flipping, not flipping. Not flipsy. Hedgy. But yeah, if it wasn't for that, out of all the ones, I'd probably agree with him that probably Quant Towers.
It does feel and look nicer than Ninja.
Yeah, like it even. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I had no issue.
It's got other features that Ninja doesn't.
Yeah, that too.
I can't remember off the top of my head. The only thing I remember was one of the features that Motivewave have. I don't know if Quanta are the same. When you put a trade on and you got your stop loss and you take profit, on the either TP or SL, it actually shows the dollar amount that you're risking or winning on the
Right.
the price sort of line, which I thought was nice. So, exactly sort of.
Yeah, it's definitely got some good features.
$245, you can maybe you'll tip up and down and get to that value. So that's a good feature. I'm sure. Who knows? There might be an indicator that has that for Ninja Trader, but
Yeah, I hear.
And just looking at Quanto now, it's like fucking $70 a month.
Yeah, that's the other thing. It's just expensive, isn't it?
It's $588 $588 a year.
Yeah. I mean, if you used it, the thing is, like you got TradingView as well, and then you're gonna have to pay for that yearly as well. It's like,
Yeah.
Now we're starting to get a bit hefty.
I do have a lifetime sort of thing of $15.90.
God, $15.90.
Yeah.
You do me. It's not like just put the camera a bit more. Yeah.
Mm. One day, we're going to have now. We're sort of dumping a bit. It's going to be tricky to work out what's going to happen now with that sort of big spike up and back down. Just cleared everything, didn't it?
Yeah, what was that? Was that news?
Whatever happened at Q2, that was European news, EU news.
Oh, was it? EU news?
Yeah, that's what.
Okay.
Yeah, 10:45.
Yeah.
ECB press conference. So.
Right. Yeah. Once again, I haven't checked. Well,
They like it doesn't. It just doesn't. It just doesn't make sense anymore. The news. It's just an excuse to smash everyone. That's all it is now.
I agree. You can't consistently pick which way it's going because they like to go both ways, don't they?
Yeah, it's like let's say it's bad news and for the dollar and it goes down. Like eventually, like an hour later, that down candle will be mitigated. And so it doesn't make sense,
No, Al Brooks said the same
bad
thing.
News just for 10 minutes. I know it's good now.
Yeah, Al Brooks said the
same thing.
What does
Al Brooks say?
He goes, don't even bother with the news. Like, don't listen to it because, you know, even if it's good news, it can do the opposite.
Yeah.
You think it's good news?
Yeah, that's too. Yeah, it's just.
Yeah, so he goes.
Bad of it.
Yeah, he doesn't let it affect him in any way. Good news is bad news. Bad news is good news sometimes. Good news is good news sometimes. That's what I mean. Other than like using it for like a hedging thing or whatever, move so much. And that it's too hard to pick it.
Yeah.
That's all I think. I believe anyway, from what I've seen.
I believe.
So I've got that going now. Rightio. And we're off. We're off. Off to see the wizard.
And, earlier on, it said it could come down, touch the bottom of the box. It pretty much almost got there. Bounced off the daily open.
God, I'm so flustered today. All these drums. What we're doing now.
There's someone on. Oh, it's Bobby. The sound is breaking up. Oh.
Yeah, isn't that
Who's
fantastic?
mine or Rob's? Both.
Both.
It'll be for
Fantastic.
both. It seems okay now.
Awesome. Now, well, when we get the
you get
chance.
out of council, what? It's all like okay. Give us the okay.
It seems okay, Matt.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how it looks and sounds. And Rob, you got robbed, or you want to talk to Rob? All good. Okay. Oh, you're saying Rob's mic was breaking up.
Yeah, I had issues with it too.
Yeah, a few issues with it as we got on. Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, we smash that like button, Bobby. Smash that like button for us.
You sound like a real YouTube streamer. Studded steamer.
Just on the VWAP at the moment. Not doing much. Toward the bottom, sort of left side. The share button, side button. But it's just the below the actual screen, I guess. If that makes sense.
Coming through.
We start. Yeah, my sound's cracking.
Yeah, I can hear it in my left ear.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, it's really crackling and
I'm gonna have to go and get a mic. Surely it's not there.
I don't know, man. I really don't know. I mean, the mic shouldn't do that. It's even if it's not good quality, it shouldn't do that sort of a thing. Just a better microphone. The sound sounds better, but it shouldn't crackle and stuff. I don't know if that's a microphone issue or it's an OBS issue, or I don't know.
Yeah.
Not sure, but it is.
The ninja room, you can hear me alright, or is it just on YouTube when it's cracking up?
Just hang on a sec, let me check actually. I think it's all right on the room. Yeah, it sounds like fine in the room.
If it's fine in the room, then
it's something coming through OBS. So OBS is there's something. I don't know why you're
down
on camera conscious.
I've just touched the bottom of the initial balance box from the London session on NQ.
You sound right now.
Just bounced off it.
I think there was just like, might have been, I don't know, we'll see if it happens again. Hang on.
Yeah.
We'll
You make an adjustment, Rob?
Yeah, I'm just trying to check some things out. Yeah.
Okay. Is it right now, Bob? Or give us an okay or not? Rob's made an adjustment.
Yep.
I'll keep talking and yeah, just let us know if it's okay or same. Yeah, no, it's okay. All right, cool. All right, we've just tapped into the daily open here on NQ. I think we had someone join in, Rob.
Sorry?
I think we had someone come in and out.
Now, why am I not seeing it there? Some code TAH. Stream element's working. What do you know?
Better now. Better now. Yeah, let us know if it cracks up again, Bob.
Well, welcome to everyone.
Let's.
Anyone who's in the chat, say hello. We're here to
Hi.
what do we got? Okay. So we're 10 minutes into the New York Open. Once again, welcome to everyone joining us. Well, for us, it's evening, isn't it?
It's more late. It is our, what is it, our fourth day?
Yeah, first
streaming. First week of streaming.
Yep. Yep, fourth day. And we've gone through a bit of hell with the technical stuff. And bye.
Hello.
Bye to the person who just popped in. Just the three of us again.
Yep. He popped in and popped out pretty quick.
Yep. You know, you leaving that line open.
He got scared. You saw Bob's name, said, nah, not for me.
Okay. Now I can.
Jesus. This week, man, seriously. Horrible.
Uh-oh.
Just when it was starting to settle down a bit, you know.
Microphone's going silly again. I can hear it.
Mine.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Just when I thought I'd fix it. No, I thought I fixed it, but audio issues, huh? I don't know. Oh, well, yeah, it can't hurt, like I said, even for just the recording side, I guess. Like, you do videos, whatever, it's going to be then you really notice the difference is when you're actually recording a video. Yeah. Free. There you go. It's cheap. Hopefully that music's not too loud. Bob, is it?
Short pair. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, you're looking good on your trade. Go, go, go. Come on. Give him some love.
I'll target that previous day low.
Show Con some love. Come on. Hit that target.
Jesus, just doesn't want to do it. Teasing me.
Come on, you can do it. Missed it by that much. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that deserves some applause. There you go. On his target, he gets the applause, the confetti.
Where am I? I'm at 780 now, or 760. 1760, 1780.
Well done.
Big commissions on Tradeify. Huge difference between Tradeify and Apex.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost bloody double the commission in Tradeify. No good luck, please. PAs probably done for the so I'm going to split like accounts between London and New York. I'm actually probably going to do 2 at a time or 3 at a time, something like that. Down back up, close that gap.
Come on. All right, what time we got? Oh, 20 minutes into the open. Is there any other news?
8 minute. Look at that. Target would have been at 64 if it wasn't that.
This one done.
What's gold doing? Not much.
But it's gone to gold again. He loves his gold.
I love gold.
He does love gold.
The look of it, the taste of it, the texture.
Yeah.
I love gold.
I was in a smelting accident.
Oh, yes. This is a keeper. Oh,
It's a keeper. Yes. It's a keeper.
It's a keeper.
Yes, right. So we're mostly going down, huh? Down. Prices are down.
Yeah. I don't like this. Where is it on the 5 minute chart? This week to take that out.
Okay. Alrighty then.
I think we're coming further down. By the looks of it. Trend is your friend. It's going down, it's going down. Isn't that right? It looks like it's a peak.
Oops.
Got this old
you
song stuck in my head for the last 2 days.
Old song. Which one?
Yeah, do you remember the band Noiseworks?
Oh yeah.
It came on the probably came on the radio, I think, in the car. Remember the song Hot Chili Woman? Hot Chili Woman. Ding, 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 ding. It's stuck in my head for 2 days now.
Yeah, I've what's the guy's name? The lead singer again? God, who's freaking name?
Was it John?
Yeah, John.
John?
God, now I can't remember the last name. But yeah, it's John.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got to speak with him a lot, me and my brother, because we did when we used to do security, and we actually when we worked for what used to be called Brash's. I don't know. Do you remember Brash's, the record store?
Yeah.
Yeah, way back then. We also got to meet. Remember Pseudo Echo? They had they had the one song, but they
Well, they had a couple Pseudo Echo.
Yeah, they did for a little bit. But one of the guys in the band there too, he ended up
John Stevens. That was
John Stevens. That's it. Yeah. So we got to talk to him a lot, and one of the guys from Pseudo Echo, he managed one of the Brash's stores. So when we did security there, we talked to him heaps as well. But they didn't last long. They broke up. You know, he goes, "Oh yeah, we just had issues between band members and stuff like that." That didn't last. But that was interesting anyway. Back in the day, you know, I sound like an old man. Back in the day.
Speaking of old bands, did you see the stuff that's going around about Bono on the Joe Rogan show?
Who's?
Bono.
Oh, Bono. Yeah. I've seen him,
Yeah.
Making up numbers about 300,000 people.
300,000 people have died. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's like, where'd you get that
Why,
number
man?
from?
Why? It was like, why is he like, what are these people like? They were one of my favourite bands growing up, man. I went to every single concert when they came here in Australia.
Did you? Yeah.
Like the first one, I was like 10 or 11 years old, I think, and I went, you know.
Right.
I've gone to every concert since they come out. I've come out every time they come out. I've gone and see him, you know. And then he goes and does that, and I'm like, all right, man.
He just ruined your.
It's just like it just leaves a bit of taste in your mouth.
What do they say? Not to meet your idols or heroes or whatever, because you get disappointed.
Yeah,
it's so true.
yeah,
it is so true.
There's another guy did a video on him, you know, and his so-called charity. You know, he's called One Charity. How
1%.
he's raised like 1 year, he raised like millions and millions of dollars, and he gave away like $100,000. And like, what the hell?
Yeah, they get 1%.
These charities, man.
His foundation that he whatever.
Yeah,
only 1% gets to its intended. It's intended for people. 99% administration fees.
1%. That's why I called it one.
Unreal. That's shameful. Like honestly, 99%.
And he's.
Oh my god.
He's evaded tax so many times, you know, like.
Yeah, like talk about a raw.
Fucking hell.
Unreal. You've got a foundation, but we keep 99% of
it.
Yeah.
That's why he's angry with USAID.
Yeah, that's
not going to get any money.
Yeah, that's what it really is. That's what it really is, yeah.
Yeah, he's all
he's missing
his
out.
Mates.
He's going, I want my money, man.
Yeah. He's my money, man.
I want my money. I want my money, man.
He wants his
my money, man. I want my money, man. Oh, family guy. Ooh, we are going further down. Are we?
Hasn't been much up, has there?
Heat map say.
Not much up at all.
We are going further down. Broke that low. What's the next target? Previous day low. Oh, we're sort of halfway through that. It's mitigated that. Big week there. Might be it. Might be it.
What are we? Half an hour almost. Almost half an hour.
Might be it. Might go a bit further down though. I'm looking at the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. Gonna finish red. Is it gonna finish red?
It's just hitting the breakout point, as the books would call it. So this will be interesting. We are right at the breakout point. Ooh, I have to go to the little girl's room. All right. Where's Okay, I'll be back. I've really got to go.
Oh, go for it.
I'm gonna do.
I'll keep Bobby entertained.
Entertained? Are you not entertained?
I'm gonna do a song and dance for him.
Get some people in the arena. Are you not entertained?
Anyone? It's not unusual. Anyone? What do you think, Bobby, so far? Am I singing? Stop, huh? Oh, it's tricky here. Tricky dicky. Tricky. Yeah. Oh. Bit of a break here. Let's see some upside movement here. Thought you'd be a bit more supportive, Bob.
I'm back. I'm back.
Yeah,
I'm back.
I was told I got a face for radio, which means my voice should be half decent.
I was on radio once. We had our own radio show. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was on Street FM, it's called. That was
Street FM.
Yeah. When I had my computer shop, I donated a couple of computers to them. We got to know the guy. And we ended up getting our own show, me and my brother, but it only lasted probably, I think, a month or something. Then he had issues with the station.
That's right.
Because it was one of those, they get like a license once a year or something to test different stations and stuff. And if they do well, then they can apply for like a permanent license. So he was trying to do that. And it was called Street FM. And but so that was interesting to see how it all worked, you know. It was fun.
Remember back when we were sort of, what do you mean when we were late teens, early 20s, when there was a radio station that was that was on for a while before it got its license. They kept on playing sort of dance music and that. It was one of the first radio stations that did that.
Yeah, it was it was like Street FM. It had a name.
Yeah, my
had a similar name. That was his competition.
My mate's wife, who was girlfriend back then, she used to read the news on the radio station back then.
Right. Yeah.
She still works in the industry, but
okay.
Yes, initially she used to read the news and.
It was fun. It was just, it teaches you to talk and keep going and going and going, you know, because otherwise you got dead air. Like you've got to always keep it going. Sort of like this, you know. And it was fun. We had people calling in, crying, and I just had a car accident and all sorts of stuff.
What was the show about? What was your show about?
I can't even remember, to be honest. It was like
Were you like
we were just like bantering
people
between me and
calling
my
in,
brother
like
and people.
Frasier?
Yeah, people calling in with their issues. We'd come up with a topic, you know, and say, call in on this, and what do you think about this? And give us your thoughts on this. And we'd play music in between, of course. And yeah, we got some real pearlers, some really good call-ins. It was definitely an experience, that's for sure. Pretty cool.
Oh, we're gonna go up now.
Oh, we're getting some up movement, something different.
What's the heat map showing? Heat map. Oh yeah. Oh, there's some big orders further up. The 850 mark, which is it's 100 points away.
Paulo. Interesting. We just created what Ego would call a Paulo.
A Paulo. Yeah, Bob's comment. I even blame the mic.
So he's pretty clear lately.
I knew it. I knew it. Fucking you, man. Eager here to even along here, you know, got the VWAP just above what level was that at? Oh, it was 772.
Are you on the NQ or gold?
Yeah, I'm
You're on NQ? NQ.
No, NQ. Yeah, NQ. Did you say you can get rid of this sort of text, this line here?
Yeah, there. When I bought Tradeaholiks,
in the data series.
You've got what's it called? The name. Like, see on mine, I don't have it. So
yeah.
I've got nothing. Yeah, it's in.
Yeah.
You got to delete.
Is it in the data?
I think it's the data series. I think, is it? Oh god, I can't remember. Let me have a quick look. No, it's it's not in that.
Or?
I'm just having a quick look for you, so if I can remember.
Is it in the?
No, it's in the.
It's got the indicator there.
Yeah, so it's in the indicators. You click on, let's say, I'll just click on one of mine so you can see like the bid and ask display there.
Sure.
And it usually, you see here it says setup. I don't know if you can see my screen, but and it's got the on-buy close. In there in the label, you got the label there.
What's that subheading?
So it says
setup.
If you can delete,
label.
You can delete that. You just delete whatever's in there.
Yeah.
And it gets rid of the.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's done it.
Yeah. I learned that from
setup label.
The Ninja Trader stuff. So you do it for all your indicators or whatever, and get rid of all the different.
Yeah, that works.
Just delete those spots. Yeah.
Nice. Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
A loopy.
Every now and then I come up with something useful.
Gold.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Great success.
Great success.
That. Yeah, we're going down now, see? Gold is going up.
Why?
Oh, so that was a bit of a, or was it a retracement? Who knows?
Oh, isn't this wonderful? My Ninja Trader's just stopped. As soon as I got wind of those settings, now it's not moving. I'm going, hang on a minute. You just said it's going down. I'm going, I've still got a green candle. Oh, God.
Now it's...
Let me get out of it.
And you got to sort out your OneDrive issue.
Well, it shouldn't be, nothing should be synced anymore. That's why I spent hours on it last night. Now. Let's see, we'll start her up again. Hope that's fix it. Connection. I'm considering setting up OBS on the other computer.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes through there, because that's got a better video card, and
okay.
It'll be separate because it makes my trading lag. The DOM's like laggy, okay. The charts a bit laggy. You know, makes it a bit harder to trade. So I just have to figure out how I get the feed in like I get yours. That's all. Get my feed in that way. You know, from say through the room or whatever.
Yeah.
And so I'm considering doing that. See how it goes. Might have less technical issues and all sorts of things.
Have you pretty much? Have you got everything off that old computer?
Everything off it, as in?
Yeah, like whatever documents you need and everything.
Yeah, it's on.
Like, why don't you do a?
Yeah, I've backed everything I need up.
Why don't you do a fresh Windows install?
Yeah, I could. Just the time, that's all. I just got to find it somehow. As you know.
The only thing is you're going to need to. You have to find all the drivers for all the other stuff as well, which is a pain in the ass.
Yeah, I know. That's why.
All this, the video card and this and that. They make it so hard, just so stupid.
Is yours a Mac? Are you on a Mac con?
Mine a Mac.
Yeah, is that what you said?
No.
Oh, I thought you said.
No, I'm just saying they make it. I said they make it so hard.
Oh, where do I get Mac from?
It's stupid, to make it. Maybe because I said they make it, or Mac, maybe it would have been Mac.
Yeah.
Maybe I broke up a bit when I said.
No, you're coming through pretty clear for the last half an hour. Seems to settle down. Yeah, I'm definitely going to consider it.
NQ.
Definitely going to consider it. But got to get some of these videos first. Why does the labels come back?
I'm pretty sure a lot of streamers do that, Rob, to have a second computer for streaming, like I think gamers, for example,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would surely make
if they
sense.
have a connection from the two computers, so they can get, from one to the other. That's what they use Elgato for, I think. Connect the two and.
Yeah, it's so laggy. I took it off and now it's back there again. Unreal.
Should close your door, Rob. You can hear
It was
the.
quiet before. Now everyone's waking up. Everyone was like,
Yeah, now that you're on, now that we're on streaming, let's wake up.
so quiet, man. The cats are going to be trapped. Going to go out, you're going to have to alert me.
So much quieter now.
Morning, I've got the other cat in the chair. It's like, holy. What was I doing? That's right. Yeah, I'm seriously going to consider it because this delay, I don't like it. It's going to affect my training for sure. Unfortunately. My training's bad enough without having that affecting it. Why is it kept
Come on, what are we doing? Maybe I'm going to punch down. I mean, it has been a slow week, hasn't it? Like the way it's moved this week.
Yeah, it's for sure. Well, I know the London session has been. The London session's been torture.
Yeah. Oh, it actually moved today, London session. Fucking,
Yeah,
a 100-point range.
Unfortunately, I wouldn't know with all these technical difficulties I've been having. We get a chance, Con, too, I think. We'll talk about it tomorrow or whatever, but see if we can get you up and running maybe on Sunday or something.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Maybe you'll have more luck with the technical stuff.
Yeah. I will see.
Yeah, I just don't think this computer with those graphics cards are just not handling it well. God, I would have thought the CPU would have been able to handle it being what it is, but obviously not. Where are we? 10 minutes till Bishop Balance is closed. Did you say there was any news or no news for the rest of the night?
I think there is.
There is.
No.
No?
No news.
No news? No news is good news?
Well, no news is
Great
slow
news.
moving news.
Yeah, that too, that's true. All right. Where's the news? We need news. Yeah. YouTube music's not as bad as I thought it was.
What? Sorry.
The YouTube music, the library. It's not as bad as I thought it was. It's
Can't hear it.
yeah. It's pretty chill. It's got some okay. Well, there's hardly any songs with vocals, but better than nothing.
Yeah. You don't really. Yeah. It's just something in the background to break up the silence. Like now when we're waiting for a trade. Oh, this is painful. The clickers are going off, Rob.
Yeah.
Oh, no, we're going off.
We got 9 minutes. Okay. 9 minutes. 9 minutes till the first hour. Am I speaking like a robot?
Robots.
It's like, see, it's weird. Why Stream Elements working today but didn't work yesterday, and it worked the day before that. Like, they didn't change a thing.
That's why, yeah. So that's why I want to set everything up so I can also have a look as well. And
like, why work one time and not another time? I don't know. Make it a sense. It's not helping us make it $1.
That is true.
See, like, it's posted the use custom code TAH for Apex, take profit, all the ones, which is really cool. So I did work that out correctly.
Yeah.
Does it every 10 or 20 minutes or something, gap between it. But sometimes it just doesn't connect. I notice most of them use Streamlabs rather than Stream Elements. But Stream Elements was free and I'm cheap.
Look at this move up.
It was a bit of a, what would we call it? Bit of a, what was Trump say?
Did you see that bounce?
Yes.
Did you see that bounce?
Did you see that bounce?
I can't hear this stuff.
Yeah, that sucks. Because you don't know. Put it on, do you? When I put the movie
I'm the
clips,
only one that doesn't hear it out of everyone.
yeah, unreal. How's the Bobster travelling? You getting any trades on? I know I don't like to type,
You're
but
winning.
as Trump was saying, So much winning.
Hmm.
You'll be sick of winning.
That one, the little thing hasn't given you a buy there.
No.
That's interesting.
Tis
He's up $1,000. Well done, Bobby.
Go.
760. He's in front. Is that on the PA, Bob?
Here you go, some confetti and some cups for Bobster.
Is that on the new PA that you just started with?
There you go, Bobby. You got the clap. Oh, you got the claps. That sounds funny.
Don't make too much. What's Warnock's consistency? They're at they're at 40%. Okay.
Yeah.
It should be right. Yeah. That is good.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too
Doesn't
much
back, I'll be calling it a
winning. We
night.
can't take it anymore.
Billions and billions and millions and billions and billions.
Why make trillions when we could make billions?
We've tapped the previous day high on NQ. Got a little bounce off it.
Have you got one set of earphones, Connor, or have you got two?
I mean,
Like,
I've only got one in.
have you got two sets though, or only one?
No.
Because that's it. That's how you could do it. It's like I'm doing it. You know, I've got one ear with one. You could have another one that you could listen to the YouTube stream in the other ear.
It'll be delayed. The thing is, it'll be delayed.
Yeah, I know, but you could have it just slow, so at least you could just maybe hear it. So if you hear the clips and that come on, you know.
Because I was thinking I could sort of just have it on my phone, so to speak, and then because I actually do have these. I can use these, I guess.
Yeah, it's just a thought because I know you were like spewing, you couldn't hear.
Pods, yeah. Yeah, I could do something like that.
Yeah, it's just a thought for you because it's sort of that sucks. Because I put it on, you don't know. And you hear me laughing, you're thinking, what's he laughing at? Anyway, just a thought. But everything seems to be pretty clear at the moment. You're coming through clear. There's no cracking. It seemed to have settled all down finally. Isn't it funny? Like the computers have to warm up or something. OBS has to warm the cockles.
He's done 1,000 on the eval and 100 on the master kit. Oh, that's alright. That's still good. Still good.
Good work, Bobby. Like I said, I put Trump on for you. You're sick of winning.
Should the next step is to use a trade copier, you know. So then you trade normal, like you trade the PA or the master account, and then use trade copier to also put trades on the eval. But yeah, it switches it, you know. So instead of say my music or vice versa, whatever you want to do, you know. But you concentrate on the master account. Anyway, we'll that's the next step, I guess.
And the best part, it's free.
It's free. It is free. That one I'm using. I'm so happy with it.
Yeah, you haven't had any dramas.
No.
Can't. I mean, Replicante has been pretty good too. I can't complain. But I had to pay for it. Oh, that's something that I haven't loaded. I just realised I've got to load Replicante.
Replicante?
Replicante. It can't. No.
Replicant.
Replicante.
Canto. Replicant.
Yeah, I've got to load that still. I haven't got all about it. Don't need it for now anyway. We've got some vocals in this YouTube song. Wow.
Some what?
Vocals. It's rare.
What's the hell? What is this movement today?
Yep, it's up, but it's down. It's up, but it's down.
Oh, you gonna get some sleep tonight, Rob?
I don't know.
You have to, man.
Yeah. I'll end up carking it, I'm sure, at some stage.
Yeah.
What are we today? Oh shit! Is it Thursday? Oh no, the bins.
To the bins.
Oh my god! I'm gonna have to do that.
Don't do it now, Rob, before you forget.
Yeah, I should, because I know I'll forget. Or I'll get so tired, I'll just go boom on the bed and then
Yeah, stuff it. You may can't be fucked. I mean, because we're not. This action is shit anyway, so you might as well.
Yeah, I'll go quickly do it
yeah.
because I know I'll forget for sure. Just let me put the copyright camera on, and I shall return.
Yeah.
All right.
Guess what, Robbie? You got me singing again. Gee,
right.
you're so lucky. You're so lucky, Bob. You're so lucky you got me singing. Yeah. All right. All right. Big dump there from NQ, as you can see. Oh. Lucky me. Your night tonight, Bobby. I'm gonna serenade you all night. Fly me to the moon. On the stars. Yeah, that's all I know. I don't know the lyrics. Along with Jupiter and Mars. You been trading this mishmash, Bob? Since this thing happened here at it's like quarter to 12. So the last nearly hour, have you been trading this? Yes or no? trading, just concentrate on that. I mean, it's not a movement though. What is it? 48. Like 50 points there. Okay, you haven't. Yeah. You've just been enjoying entertaining stream right now, aren't you? My singing. Yeah, I can't blame you. Oh, more done. Oh, imagine people would have said, "Oh, we're going back up." Smack. Oh, we got smashed there. Man, this is horrible the way it's moving. Look at it. Jeez. I'd rather. I'm up 760. I'd rather keep that, Bob. I'll be the same with you. You're up 1,000. I really kept me out. No. I gotta fix up that short too. Oh. Golden. Oh, it's just so not doing anything. No, well, if it was Trump, it would be moving, but the thing is, it's not moving. The way it's moving at the moment, if it was Trump, it would just like dump up or down. But it's not. Whenever it does snap like that, he doesn't go on X. He goes on his own platform, Truth Social, it's called, which I've got it installed. I've got an account on it. I check it straight away. He did last week, and I checked it. Go, yeah. I saw his post. Literally, it said seconds after he posted it. Yeah. Look at that. People, look at that. So people are always going to put along here. Let's just smash him out. Oh man. Was it done? Might switch screens here, Rob. Let me go to that single chart thing. I have shared. Is it the link that's not working, maybe? You got it? Alright. It's not clear though, is it? Like it's because I'm not watching it on 4K, you know? It's not 720. I'll put it on 1080. Gotta make it really big. see how that looks. Yeah, if you see it looks huge on my screen. It's massive. They're like blocks, huge blocks. It doesn't have to be this big. I can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, what have we got here? The 9 and 21 EMAs here. Right in the middle of the orb here, the opening range barometer. It's mine. See, I might bring the RB times here as well. So do
Stop if I unmuted my microphone.
the hell's the okay. I'll just put a trade on. I'll switch it over to all this. Dang! I know you want to move it. What's happened here? What time is it? 41.
Yeah, 22.
Nothing. Let's see. Is this Trump? Trump saying stuff? No.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break. All the way heartache.
And this is a tricky one to trade, that's for sure.
Where's she at? Oh, at the top of the initial balance, is it?
Yep. We're going to get what we call a fail option, Rob. Is that right?
I'm not sure on the NQ. I can't. Is that what you're looking at? Those lines is your initial balance?
Yeah,
It's poked through.
Yeah, that.
It's poked through. Yeah, if it comes back into the range, like obviously you got to wait till you get a candle or two that comes back in, not just like a poke, and then it could still keep going. So you want to see it, you know.
This is only on the 1 minute chart too.
Yeah. So if you can see it somewhere, and it clearly you see it coming back in, you know, or even can be just a poke up, but you want that candle to finish at least. It's roughly, you want to see it come back in about quarter way. Like, if it gets to quarter way in that initial bounce, there's a good chance. It's like an 80% chance of getting to the other end. Even Daniel used to do that same thing.
Quarter of the way inside the box. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like this is it's coming down. This might be. Yeah,
it could be, yeah. So on there, yes, on my chart, it didn't even break the top at all.
Okay.
Didn't quite get there. That's why I was asking on the NQ. But you got it on your chart, so I can see it. So yeah, Daniel used to have that setup. I don't know if you can remember. It was called the CCV, and he used to say, comes back in quarter way in. There's an 80% chance of it making it all the way the other end, which is about the same as the stats I did.
This could be there's fib levels at the bottom of that and all that.
Good old NQ, huh? She's ahead of the game.
Where's the
Mm-hmm.
way the VWAP maybe? 776, 82.
Ba-bum,
50 points.
bum, ba-bum, bum. Bum, 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 ba-bum, bum.
Interesting. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm nowhere either. It's the ES is in the middle, whereas NQ, looking at your chart, it's at the top of the
see?
initial bounce.
Just poked up again.
Hmm.
Oh man, the way it's moving tonight, jeez. I was just saying to all of our viewers, Rob, just to hold on to your money.
Hold on to your money. Excellent.
What's the book map saying? $1,100.
Yeah, this is really gonna have to consider doing that.
Tempting to go along.
Thunderzilla said a buy a little while ago. It's worked. It's a pretty good program, that Thunderzilla.
Yeah.
Gets it right a lot. Well, it did get tested for
You put the
3-6 years or whatever. Yeah, it's definitely one of the better ones I've seen for sure. Something that'd be good for you, Bobby.
actually, yeah.
You'd do well with it.
Welcome, peoples.
Mm.
Welcome. What are we doing here? It's
Bit of negative delta coming in. I might actually take a short, I think. Finally,
you gonna take a short?
I am.
Order
And we're
submitted.
off. We're off to the
Order
races.
filled.
Hey, happy days, finally.
Ooh.
Let's put a stop loss. I should put one. What do I have a buy, wasn't it?
Order submitted.
There you go. How many ticks is that? Ooh, 60. What's that gonna cost me? 60 ticks.
Might keep going up.
Ooh, that's 750 if I can bomb out on that. Nasty. Even with one tick.
Nasty.
One contract. Nasty. Hey Bob, are you there? I'm just wondering because OBS only shows 2 viewers, so I want to see if it's correct or not. If you're not logged into the stream or not.
It showed 4 before.
On the normal stream, yeah. Like even on the stream, it's showing 2 at the moment, and OBS is saying 2.
Yeah, Bob is there. Yeah, so it
That's
should
weird.
be 3, huh?
Well, you would think, wouldn't you? Because you're still logged in or whatever.
Yeah, because I'm watching it through my account.
Yeah.
Are you watching it through your personal account or through the
Yeah.
Tradeaholiks one?
No, personal account as well.
Yeah. It should be 3.
Now it's 3.
I saw a 4. Okay.
Now it's 3. What the?
Mine's still showing 2.
I don't
I
know.
saw a 4th one
Yeah.
before, like literally a couple of minutes ago.
Yeah, definitely someone's popped in a couple of times. But yeah, so like the YouTube stream's showing 2 still. And then OBS we got 3. I don't know. Who knows what to believe. Nothing works properly. God damn.
These bloody computers.
Technicals
Computers,
and
man.
this new tech age of ours. It's great when it works.
Now. These computers, man.
Yeah. Technology. Oh, could be laughing going on. Can you see that?
Oh. Yeah. Should have closed the door, Rob.
Yeah, might have to. I just had to let the cat out. And they were quiet, and now they're pepping up again. I guess can't we?
Putty cat. Putty cat.
The meerkat.
Putty cat. The putty cat. Simples. Well, I reckon we're going to go up. Thank you. Batteries. I'm going to risk. Where are we? 20 points. 20 points. Was that 400? But that's a lot. I'll do my micros. Do 2 micros. 3 micros.
3 micros.
Tray micros.
Cray. Actually, I'm just looking at the charts.
I'll have it.
I think it's
I'll have it.
going for a bounce up for that gap up there.
I'll have it there.
That's a
I'll have
concern.
a target of 21,898.
I don't like it,
That's a bit
I have to say.
Eight. I'll go just a bit under 896. I'll put a trade on now.
Yeah.
I'll just put it just a couple of points under that target there.
Yeah, I can't say I like the decision I
But,
made. It's an order block.
if I get to here, I'll move my stop loss there. My stop loss is here. Just under that. Very so high. Might even put it here just to cover that gap. Yeah, stop loss there. So I've got to trade a little line. 250.
Good luck, good luck. It's
Nothing like that.
see how to say.
There. 86. That's my trade.
May the trades be with you.
May the trades be with you all.
All I see is yet I don't hear him. Close to $100 up now, almost.
What? Yeah, I do not like this trade at all. I'm getting out of it.
Order cancelled.
Yes.
Order cancelled. Order
A
submitted.
little loss.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah,
Order filled.
not fast. I'm going the other way. Twice as much.
You're switching.
Yep. I am. Which is what I'm looking at on the charts.
Good. Well done.
I don't have a bias anymore.
That's it.
Promised I wouldn't do that anymore. I'll just follow the style trail that these big players leave and try and follow that.
Yeah. There's a bit of there's some big orders up at on the EQ at 21,900 exactly.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
I'm at
Even
I'm at 896, so
yep.
I'll make sure it hits my targets.
Mhm.
Even though, yes, look at all the orders above.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's right. Yeah, I was going to
Yeah.
say that
Doesn't
too.
mean it's going to do that.
No, but for me, the market structure on the 15-minute, the order block it
Yeah.
just created convinced me to go that way.
Mm.
And there's a big long wick on the what do you call it, 15-minute as well, for it to recover.
The one above.
Yeah, I don't know if you've got on the NQ,
On ES.
but
Yeah, I can see the one on ES.
yeah,
The NQ, it's almost mitigated that. That's where my target is. That's mitigating that. That whole week.
the whole week. Yeah.
So I'm just going to move my stop loss to break even now. That remember I said if I get to there, I'll move it to break even. I'm up $200 now. Got 3 micros on it.
Nice. I was down 350, now I'm up 50.
Nice. This is where it could turn, like.
Yeah.
Would break through 200. Maybe even take the trade out here.
Oh, you're in profit, so what do they say? You never go broke taking a profit.
I'll give it I'll give it a bit more room.
That saying's a bit of a fallacy.
Right under that.
Nope. Did you get out? Okay.
No.
No.
Just a little bit under that little order block there. I'll switch over to my chart.
You want me to switch to the normal one? Yeah. Okay.
Let's see. Following
you
now.
Ninja. Okay. Oh yeah, you can see a trade now.
Sort of follow manually now. So yeah, if it turns here, I think I'll make 150.
All right.
150.
150. 150 cent.
Yeah, I think it might turn in. Come on. That week. It might keep going because it's mitigated that. The gap's there. So it might.
Yeah, looking at book now. It's what was it again? 21,900 for you, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, which is just 4 points behind that. Underneath, I should say. Come on. Yes, good going.
Yeah, keep going.
Turn up.
That would be choice. If it keeps going up, we'll get some nice wins together. We'll have to share ourselves some confetti if we if it goes up there. It would be nice if Stenky gets up there and the ES gets up to 6,000.
Yeah.
It'd be awesome.
It might, because it hasn't given us the long weeks like the previous time he went up there. We haven't got this yet, so it looks like we might power through it.
What would Dumb and Dumber say? So there's a chance.
Took me out.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, busted.
Oh, because you brought your stop loss up to even.
Yeah, I had it there. It literally just poked through it. What a
bug. What a son of a dilly.
Yeah, busted.
Yeah.
Let's see if he gets to that 90. What was it? I had it at 96, I think.
That's okay. You still make money.
Oh yeah, another that 150. I think, or 160, something like that. That's all right.
It's a good. It'll do, pig.
So I'm if you can read that, I'm $900 in that account and 885 on that one.
For the day?
For the day, yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Very nice. I like.
Yes. Great success.
I needed to speak to the evals because I knew I was going to blow a few. Yeah, just settling in. Anyway, that was.
Let's put a take profit just under there.
Micros, man. That would have been awesome if it was no mini.
Order submitted.
Okay, if this comes down, then I'll be happy. Happy chappy.
It's a 6.99. See how that goes.
Happy chappy. Did you? Bobby still there? Did you come along for the ride there, Bobby?
It's gonna come for the ride.
Come along for the ride.
Low rider.
Gave you I gave you a fantastic trade here, Bobby.
Mm-hmm.
Free of charge.
He did. Free of charge. You got the bonus plan.
We'll be getting the bonus package.
No,
We're getting the bonus package tomorrow.
No. It'll be Andrew Dice Clay. You got the bonus plan. Hey, do my dishes. That's the chicks walking out.
Did you get in that trade, or what did you do, Bobby? You're just watching. Okay, that's a proper retrace now. You did. You out of the trade, or you still in it? Just say out or in. Pretty much do what I did, sort of trail that up. In again. I love it.
He's an animal. He's
going in again. Gonna get up there. It looks like a nice, I don't know though. Let's see, look at the heat map for you, buddy. Yes, it's all red up the top. Keep going up, Bob. Hope he does. I have to be back in a sec. Can you put me on coffee thing?
Coffee break? Yeah, I can.
Coffee break for a minute.
There you go.
I'll be back.
Yep. Good luck, Bobby. I'm hanging in there too. Hopefully it breaks these highs. If it doesn't, then we could be in trouble. We'll have a decent retrace. So hopefully it's had 3 shots previously at the 3 shots at the title. You know, it's trying to break these highs on the ES anyway. Bit risky. Got to risk it.
Oh, I'm back.
Got to risk it for the biscuit. Risk it for the biscuit. Oh, your mic's gone funny again. Was crackly. Yeah, oh, it's all right that time.
Oh. Range or something.
Yeah, it's real bad.
Still connected? Hang on a sec.
Come on, break these highs. Do it! Need some inspiration from Arnie. Where is he?
Come on. Do it! Do it! Come on! Do it now! Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
Come on, break those highs. Do it!
Alrighty then.
Now we play the waiting game.
Struggling. He wants to push past those highs. Come on. I need it to get a decent profit. Come on, do us a solid, as Colin would say. That would be choice. Bro. On.
God damn it! God fucking damn it!
You listen to me, Price. You go up.
No, you listen to me.
Come on. Boom. Countdown didn't work. I gave it its cue and it didn't take it. Still letting me down. Come on, Price.
Oh, you nasty.
Oh. Oh. How's that worked? Is your conscious ring? What is it? 2. Oh yeah. That's off. Okay, I'm confused. God, it's stuck here. She can't break through. Come on, man. Price is laughing at me.
A few moments later.
That's it.
Yeah, boy!
That's it. Go, you good thing. You can do it.
Come on, do it now! Come on, do it, do it!
Come on. Come on.
Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
Order filled.
Yes, and we have a winner. Woohoo! All right. Big bada boom. That was a nice turnaround. $350 down, 665 up. Very nice. Hopefully, you should have done well out of that, Bobby. Because you went in again, didn't you? So those applause were for you too. For all three of us. We've all had winners. We're all kicking goals. And loving it. Yoo-hoo.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
All right. The trade is over. Con's gone silent on us. I haven't heard a peep. Are you still there? Can't hear. Can you hear me, Con? Hello? Con? Are you there? We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Oh. We could see you. Couldn't hear you. God, it's hot in here. Is that problem with closing that door? I'm going to open that window right up. I'm going to die of heat exhaustion. At time. Not hearing it. You there? We can't hear you, bro. You put your microphone on. We can't hear a thing. We can't hear you. You can hear me, but we can't hear you. And nothing's changed on this end, so it's got to be something from that end. Since you got off and oh, now I can hear something.
Yeah, that's the microphone from the camera. I can hear you.
Oh, yeah, now I can hear. Is that through the camera?
Oh, what's that?
I can hear you now.
I'm going to put it back to the headset, see if that...
Yeah, it must have disconnected when you got off or whatever. Lost connection.
I've got that now.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's coming back. There you're back.
Wow. Bobby, can you hear me? Plug your mic in. Oh, thanks, Bobby. You been hearing what I've been giving you advice, Bobby, to trial the stop loss if you're still in the trade.
Yeah, we couldn't hear for ages.
Have it sort of at that level there. I don't know if you can see the screen or not. But even now, like if you take it out now, you've done well. So
yeah, I reckon he's done good.
We did. We did do that. Oof. Nah, that was a beautiful trade, Bob. Well done. Well done. You saw that. Little dip and went straight in.
He saw. He came. He conquered.
He conquered. In like Flynn. Bob doesn't fuck around, mate. I'm not here to fuck spiders. Bobby means business.
He does mean business.
Oh no, lost connection to this. Oh no, that's Tradeaholiks. What am I saying? I lost connection to Tradeaholiks.
Well, good like that.
Reconnect. Back on. You still in the trade, Bob? Say yes or no. Still going up. It's not finished yet. Still going up. Yeah,
go, Bobby, go. Go for the bobster. Get up there.
Oh no, he's not in the trade. Okay.
Oh.
Did you? I'm assuming you made some good money there. Hopefully you didn't follow it too close. Did you hit that target? Like the target that I gave you, the 896? Did you have your PT there?
I don't have to take this abuse from you. I got hundreds of people dying to abuse me.
Oh, we can do, Rob. Yeah. Oh, nice. You can, Bobby can join the room, the ninja room, just on
cool
audio, so I can talk to him instead of chatting.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's just showing how to get in the link and
I'll try and so he doesn't have to, and he can concentrate on his trading too.
Yeah,
chat to
don't have to type all the time. It's a good idea. Yeah, definitely.
The only thing is though, if someone
If someone does join though the stream, we'll be talking to among us. They won't hear Bobby though.
No.
That's all right. Well, it's just us.
We could put him on as just audio if he wanted to.
Audio. Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't see his camera, just then the audience could hear him as well. But that's up to you, Bobby. But it'd save you typing anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm all good. You'll have to maybe show him next time you're there or whatever.
How much did you make on that second trade, Bob? Where you at now, the eval? You would have made I don't know what he's trading at the moment. If he's doing the eval, it would be easier for me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give him the link. How do we just upload there? Put it in Discord.
Yeah.
And then you can just do just a phone call, you know. You don't have to do video. Even if you do video, it doesn't matter.
They won't see.
So YouTube won't see you. Yeah.
No.
Doesn't matter.
It's true.
It's just like being on Discord.
It's a good idea.
So I've sent you the link in Discord, Bob. We might as well sort of try it out now.
Yeah, it'd be good for you, Bob. Then you could talk to us and they won't hear you and not see you, but we can always get them to hear if you want at some point without the camera even.
So if you get to that link, you should have a option to join room. Showing my oh nice. Yeah, I've sent you a link, Bob. In Discord. Just click on it. We'll open up a browser and then click on join room. See if you can get it working.
That'd be good if you could.
Yeah.
Join the party without him having to type.
Oh, Tradeaholiks disconnected again. Oh no, back in. You have to call Kira? To help you with that.
You mean
like,
you yell down the hallway?
Yeah, get your ass in here now. How do I do this?
Yeah, it's like a call down the hallway, is it? Not on the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dang, that was hot. That was hot.
Oh man, Springer didn't put that trade on. That would have been so from 53 to 53.
What are we at? 6,005 now.
53. That was like a 50-point move.
Yeah. Well, it's recovered half of that wick that we were talking about.
Yes.
Yeah. It's at about 50 now. Could have got another 5 points out of that. Damn. That sucks.
Get rid of that. Next target. Someone's going to hit that next target of mine. What a beautiful target I had there.
Very nice. Jeez, what is this? There you go.
Sort of have a look at the daily chart and
more too.
the 4-hour chart. Look,
there you go.
there's a bit of resistance and then support, so there's a critical this sort of area, you know. So we can see that. Almost there too. 30 points away. Whoop. Hmm.
Yeah.
Might not close that gap. Might not get up there. Come on. Nice light box, Kira. so Bobby, yeah, mate.
Hello, Hira. You can hear us. Fantastic work.
Yes. Send Bob a link in Discord. We're going to click on the link and there's got a join meeting. It's the big box on the left. If you don't get that, join room, sorry, not meeting, join room. If you don't get that, then that link's not working.
I can send you, it should be you got in the room, so the link should be alright. Not let me know and I'll post it to you. And then?
What do you mean and then? And then just click on, wait for the, you'll see like the camera, audio, microphone sort of stuff. Just leave it as is, just hit start. Just under the video thing, camera. It's not gonna be on YouTube, it's just gonna be in this room.
Yeah. It's the man cave. The online man cave.
The hidden man cave. and then and then
it doesn't let
me. Doesn't let me. So do you get the option to click on the camera and that? Doesn't let me. What, do you get an error message or?
I'll copy the link just in case. Come on, I don't know. I'll send it to you. See if it's different.
Try the.
I just sent it to you.
Yeah, try the. Oh, you could have sent it to
the.
I'll send you another link.
Probably.
Try this.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the same as original, but that's the new link showing to get into the room.
Try this new link. Hang on. Try that new link.
Because, yeah, we might have changed settings and stuff, but because you haven't closed the tab, probably didn't matter. But someone new probably needs the new link.
Mission not on. Is that the new link?
Oh, the old one. Need to accept camera permission. I will accept it. What to do? What do you mean need to accept camera permission? Is that like a antivirus software coming up with that, or is that a Windows message? Need to accept camera permission. Might be somewhere in the settings to when you go into the room, does the camera work? Can you see yourself before you click on start? Actually, Rob, do you want to put me on no, put me on mute?
Yeah.
And
on the stream.
I'll get on.
All right, done. Yeah, you're off. Do you want me to turn the camera off too, or? Okay. Well, as far as I know, you. Yeah. Okay, I'll put you a coffee break then. Yeah, that's all right. Do it. I'll just put you on coffee break. All good. So we've just got my partner trying to help out a friend of ours to see if we can stop him from typing his little heart out. See if he can sort out the technical difficulties on his side. More the merrier. Doing the what is it called? The man cave. So what's happening here? Definitely got some resistance up here on both NQ and the ES. ES at 60.10. NQ looks like about 21.930-ish. So let me go to the NQ and the DOM and see if I can see where. No, it's not high enough to get to it. Okay. All good, but yeah, it's about 21.930 roughly. And we are 2003, so we're 7 points away from some major liquidity. So we'll see what happens. We're going to get a retrace soon back into the initial balance box. We could. We certainly could. Might type in the chat just to break up the monotony of the chat. Once. Tradeaholiks crew. To say. Yeah, we're still floundering. So, as Homer would say.
Now we play the waiting game.
Now we play the waiting game. We do. Not much happening at the moment. Get a bit of a pocket of resistance. Interesting to see if we have a barred auction that pops back into the initial balance. That'll be a nice short if it happens. So waiting.
Missed it by that much.
Alrighty. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Bit of funky music. Play the funky music, guapo. Yep, we've definitely stalled. Hit a bit of a wall. We could range for a little bit up here since we had a bit of a channel trend upwards. That's the cycle for you. Breakout, channel, which is part of the trend. And it goes back into a range and starts all over again. Yeah. Digging the music. Groovy drum beat. Yep, she's definitely finding some bricks of the wall. Excusez-moi. So that happens when you haven't slept for probably 36 hours now. Getting on to 2 days. Hey, caramba. All right. Are we going to get back into the initial bounce box? This is the question. We could do. If it does, we're looking at a failed auction and possibly a short trade back to the bottom of the initial bounce box. So welcome anyone who's joined the stream. My partner's trying to fix some technical difficulties, and he's the NQ trader on the ES trader, which you can see on the screen. So just waiting to see what happens here. Definitely hit a pocket of resistance, as I've been saying. There's looks like about 260 contracts at around 6,010. So about 9 points, 8 points away on the ES. That's what we sort of bounced off just before, or retraced off. So we'll see how, if this continues. If it does, but at the moment, the delta's still on the positive side. So right now, I won't consider shorting yet. We could definitely be just sitting in a range for a while. Could range out for, yeah, could be decent, who knows. But once again, breakout, trend, range. Getting some little bit of selling pressure on tick strike. We're hearing a lot of ticks and seeing a lot of sells on the stocks. Apple, Amazon, ES, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, all the major ones selling off a little bit right now. Oh, it stopped. Must be listening to the music. Stop with the beat of the music. So it's a bit undecided up here. Bit of a chop chop. Bit of chop chop.
This is Chop City.
Find that stamp file. Nice if it did something. But again, we're state the obvious, we're stalling out. We are stalling, hitting a brick wall. And someone is back. Okay, hang on, let me... Oh, do you want me to... You going to your ninja? Oh, but you want me to leave the other one on? Yep. Okay. Yep, there you go. Just let me know. What was I doing here? I forgot. It's the middle of some. So what happened with that, Bobby? Get anywhere? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. When's this? Tomorrow. What time? To get Bobby in the room. Okay. Yeah, while you're doing that, Bobby, no good con, doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, your microphone's muted. Okay. I did forget that. I put your camera on, forgot to put your mic on the stream. Because I can hear you in the room. It's easy to forget.
I was muted. I was muted.
You were sorry about that.
You said no good.
You can hear now, don't worry.
I said, no, with that attitude, I'm not going to fix it at all, Bob. You bastard.
Anyway, while you gents were gone, I was saying we've hit a pocket of resistance, and we've been stalling here. Could range for a little bit, possibly, or retrace back into the initial bounce. We shall see. Weed.
Even again. I'm gonna mute you, not mute you. You get muted. Well.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
It is 2. Toodaloo.
Toodaloo. So we're almost about 20 minutes away from being on for 3 hours. Is that right?
It's okay.
What's my buddy Gold doing? Oh, gold dumps, yeah. When NQ and ES go up, gold does the opposite most of the time.
Oh, okay, good to know.
Most of the time.
Good to know.
Let's check that. Oh, nice. Smash through that. Smashing the previous day low. Target there on gold. Very good. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that orb. Look at that opening range barometer.
What happened to your ticker symbol and time on TradingView? Can't tell what you're on.
Oh, it's not on this. What the hell?
Nah, because I heard you say you're going on gold, so I was wondering if that's what we're looking at or not.
No, I was not here. I was on my gold chart.
Yeah.
Just had a quick peek.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek. Sneak attack.
Oh, Bobby. Past your bedtime, huh? Okay. Well, my bedtime was a day and a half ago. So, have a good sleep.
When Rob goes to sleep, he'll be up in 4 days. He'll be sleeping for 4 days straight. All right, Bobby.
All right, Bob. Thanks for coming and supporting the crew.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Thanks, mate.
You're the man. You're the man.
We won't be up that long either.
Love it.
We had a bit of fun, I guess.
All right, that'll be cool.
We have to get him on the voice thing anyway.
Yeah, definitely have to stop him typing, the poor bugger. Pain in the butt. But appreciate it though, Bob. So make sure you get some good sleep, and you pop in tomorrow, we'll see you again. But we'll get you hooked up in the man cave, so you won't have to type anymore.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, say bye to Kira and everyone else too. And well done with the trades.
That link you sent me, that should work, shouldn't it? Even I don't really need your help at your end.
No, I had a look at things just in case, but there's nothing really there that would stop him from getting in that I can see. It's usually pretty simple. Yeah. It's pretty...
Tomorrow. Thank you, Bobby.
Yeah. All right, bro. Ciao, brown cow.
Where are we at? A bit sideways. Yeah, got close to that big target of mine. Oh yeah. Geez, 15 points away. That's not that much for the NQ.
Nah.
Big move.
Nope. Well, there's a bit of liquidity on there, yes. It's about 4 points away. Whereas the NQ hasn't really got anything up there, yeah. So if it goes higher, the S is going to drag its butt up there.
Yeah.
See.
15 points.
So there's a good chance we're going to retrace if it takes that liquidity on the ES, because there's nothing on the NQ. There's no reason for it to not come down.
That is my 9 EMA, the yellow
one.
The yellow line. You can see it. You can see that.
The one that it's poked through a few times.
Not thick enough.
Not scientific.
Make it thicker. Can we make it thicker? Yes, we can.
Are you using Biden's slogan? Or was that Obama's? I can't remember. Biden,
yes,
wasn't it? Yes, we can, or something. Wasn't it his slogan?
No, I think it was Biden. Was that Obama?
I can't remember. Yeah, it was either one of them, one of the two.
Yeah.
Yes, we can.
I don't think it was Biden. Biden.
Yeah, it must have been Obama.
I think it was Obama.
Yeah, I think
yes,
it was
too. Can.
Yeah.
Biden, I don't think he knew what was going on even during the election.
Biden was Build Back Better, I think.
Oh,
something like that.
Hang on, are you sure, or was that the Australian Labor Party?
Oh, I don't know. It could be. It could be. I just remember that slogan, and I remember the Yes We Can one. As far as the opposition goes, anyway. Yeah, she's floundering like a ship, like a fish on a deck, fish out of water. Doing the battered salve. On the deck of the ship. Oh, he tick strike. Ticking away.
Tick strike.
Yep, certainly. How many contracts is there? It's a bit, 200 and something. Yeah, 294. Okay, 91. Yeah. Bum 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 bum. You look at a book map, and Q wants to come down, AS wants to go up. Like how difficult. They're button heads. They're having a fight.
Having a fight?
Fisticuffs. Contractor cuffs. Oh, the S is pushing that bit more now. Oh, it's only a couple of points away from 610 now. Very close.
Missed it by that much.
Yes, Joe Biden was Build Back Better.
It was Joe Biden.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then 24 was Make America Affordable Again. That failed on its ass.
Was yes,
and
we
he had a few. 2020, he had a few. He had No More Malarkey and Not for a Better Future. Where's Obama? Yes, we can. That was the 2008 one.
Right. I should have another one. Sometimes a good, sometimes maybe shit, but always Malakia.
always malarkey.
Yeah, malarkey. Yeah.
Is it going to get up there? Going to hit my target?
Can she do it? Can she do it?
Is she going to blow?
Yes, is trying to drag her up there. For sure.
What's the heat map look like now?
Are you talking about that one with all the squares? Is that the heat map you're talking about? You know, so like all the squares of all the different...
Map.
Oh, book map. I thought you were talking about the heat map on, you know, that one that shows all the different assets and it comes up with red or whatever.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No, book map. That's because the heat map, isn't it? Book map.
Don't worry, I guess, yeah. I thought of it that way.
Book map, yeah. I'll call it book map. Oh, yeah, starting to get some orders now on NQ up above.
Yes, I've just popped in. I've seen it there. 104 or something, is it?
Yeah. Because there's hopefully some orders below. Now they're popping up.
Trying to join the ASUS bandwagon.
So high. I don't know. I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit. I'm happy to concede for the day.
Risk it for the wet biscuit. For the limp biscuit.
Limp biscuit.
Yeah. Give it to me, baby. Was it them who sang that? Can't remember.
No. Was it Limp Bizkit? I can't remember.
Yeah.
He might have been. Oh, this might dump too here.
Yes, looking a bit rejecty.
Rejected.
Yep. Rejected.
Don't!
What's going around the ground? That's what they're doing footy. What's Nutty up to? Oh, that is about to lose a trade. He put a long one right there. Ooh. Who else? What's Alpine doing? PLL. He's steadied a bit now, Alpine, isn't he? He's still been doing okay.
Alpine?
Yeah, last few times I've checked on him, he's
doing better.
Doing alright. Yeah, he's in the green a lot more.
He's hitting his strides again.
That's a little good. Bit. That's very good.
Yeah, he was doing bad for quite a while. He was due to have a bit of a good run, I guess. Well, we've definitely rejected here for now.
Rejected.
Definitely. Rejection. Is it going to keep going down?
Come down. Let's put map safe.
What's Delta saying
Oh,
down
it's
there?
going to clean it all up.
Mm.
For a clean up. Clean up in
Clean
aisle
up.
12.
Clean up in aisle 12,
Yeah.
we need Trump in
We
his
have
dump
long
truck.
stop losses. The stop losses, clean up, stop losses.
Yep. Where's Trump when you need him in his garbage truck?
Yeah, that's right. Just marketing genius, man. The dump truck, the Maccas. What else did he do? Everything that tried to get him money, he spun it around and he favored him even more.
Yeah.
You know, the criminal, the shot. It made into put it on a t-shirt, mate. Aimed it, you know. That's the best.
Pretty cool. Pretty fly for a white guy.
Funny. Quite a few people before, huh?
I don't know. We've had
Bobby was
7
getting
views.
off, so-
We've had 7
just
views.
as Bobby was getting off those 4 people. On YouTube anyway. Anyway, I might call it there. I don't think I want to put another trade on.
Yeah, I'm happy to stop anyway. I don't care. I've got more important work to do.
Yeah, all right.
Plenty of time for streaming. We spend a lot of time, so I'm better off spending time on the other stuff and trying to get that ahead. Otherwise, big trouble. Oh, what a video comes out. Oh, a video comes out this morning. Yeah, 7 o'clock this morning. The next video.
Oh, no.
So, so I got to get something done. Otherwise, we're going to have nothing to put out on Monday. Crikeys, I got to get this done. You all right?
All right.
Well, good stream.
All right,
We're getting better and better.
Yeah, that was good today.
Yeah,
That was good.
And it seems to warm up. Like I don't know, the software, like the audio on that, has been pretty good since the first half an hour. Like everything seems to have settled down or whatever. So weird, but
I bet you just see if I'm hosting how it goes.
Yeah, like I said, I think the issues for me anyway on this side is the video cards just aren't really good which lags it a bit, probably causing some of the issues. I don't know, that's my guess, but that's why I'm thinking I'll put on the other one and see how it goes.
Yeah.
And that way it won't affect my trading either, you know.
I think most streamers do that anyway. They have one computer for that, and
yeah, it's like lagging my DOM and charts, and it's like
dong.
my dong, yeah, it's lagging my dong. Love you, dong time.
Dong.
Yeah.
All right,
man. Well, good work as usual, and well done with the trades. That was good stuff.
You too. Yeah, well done. That was good trading too.
Yeah. All right. Well.
All right.
Well, yeah, I'll be here anyway. It's tomorrow. Who's it tomorrow? Hang on.
Friday. Today.
Yeah, today.
Yeah.
Totally lost track.
Friday.
All right. So yeah.
Last day.
I'm not going anywhere. Besides,
Last day.
maybe get some sleep.
Yeah. Nah, get some sleep. It's not healthy, mate.
You know what? I'm like in a second wind right now. I don't feel tired at all. Weird. If that happens, you get on this sort of second wind and you can't.
Yeah.
Then we have to wait until I get tired and then I'll die. Slowly. All right.
All right. We'll end the stream there.
All right.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone, and we'll catch you, everyone, on the flip side. Tomorrow we'll be streaming again.
London Open.
The London Open at time we get on about 4:45. Yeah. time. Well, that's our time.
Our time, Melbourne time.
Melbourne, Australian
Right.
time, 4:45. All right.
Ciao, ciao.
Everybody signing off. Good luck with your trades and see you tomorrow.